Hey guys, it's Rob with Passport to the Parks, and we are back for one more quick time at Caribbean Beach. I'm going to bring you over to the Old Port Royale, show you some of the construction here. We'll just do a quick walkthrough so you can get an idea of what it's going to be like if you're planning on coming here. Alright, let's take a look. Pretty noisy over here. It's like a generator running back there, probably for the air conditioning and ventilation for the temporary restaurant setup. Nice quote from Walt Disney. My biggest hero in life. So this will take us to the pool and to Centertown, or at least what is temporary. Right now you're basically going to live out of a food truck if you're wanting some sort of food. Medfresh Tavern. Lamb and beef gyros, falafel, Philly cheesesteak, hot dogs, chicken nuggets, corn dogs. Not a bad little menu. Make our way around here. Still rent some bikes if you'd like to take a ride around. Still a beautiful view. Can't really see too much construction from here, so if you do come to get a quick bite, you can always come down to the beach area here and still have a very pretty view. There's birds chirping, so that's a good sign. It does smell pretty good down here, though. I don't know if it's the food truck or something else, maybe the buffet, but it smells pretty good. Temporary little shop set up here. You can find your normal sun-related things, hats, a couple Disney items, some little things that you might need in your hotel room. Obviously they have to do this construction, and I'm sure they don't want people to have to put up with this, but I think they're doing the best they can to try to accommodate for it. The Banana Cabana Bar. You can definitely still get a drink while you're down here. That's a good thing. Hey, there's Donald Duck out by the pool. I got a picture I'm going to post. I saw him cruising around in a golf cart earlier. It's kind of cute. He's got to ride in style while he's here. And this would be the Centertown temporary restaurant setup. Right now they're serving lunch. Hello, how are you guys? Good. Roasted corn and black bean salad, Waldorf salad, romaine salad, taco salad, some sandwiches, pulled pork. It sounds really good. All right. Everybody get a quick look. We're actually live, so I'm just showing everybody out there. It's good. Now you have a buffet too, right? No, I'm just looking right now. Awesome. When is the buffet all day, or is it different times?
In the morning,
okay.
11:30. Yeah, I mean 6:30 to 11:30.
Okay.
And at night 5 to 10.
Okay.
Between time lunch is 12 to 4. There is no buffet.
Okay. Just basically this. Okay. It smells really good.
Yeah. And food trucks is open after 4 to 11.
Okay. All right. Well, I don't think it's too bad down here with construction. I know it's rough. Okay. Great. Oh, the buffets. That's everything that's on it, huh? Great. Everybody happy overall when they come down still? In a good mood?
We try to keep it that way.
That's all you can do.
You gotta keep smiling, right?
When is this all going to be done, do you think? Is it
in August.
in August? Really? Okay. Well, they've been working on it a long time. It's been over a year, hasn't it? May? Okay. Wow.
We're just in February, so almost.
Have you seen anything they're doing in there? Does it look pretty good, or
No, I can't. I'm not.
you're not allowed in? No. Okay. Well, thanks.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
If you need any questions, let me know, okay?
All right, thanks. Can always count on cast members being friendly and helpful. And that's always a positive thing, especially when guests have to come down and sort of manipulate around these kind of things. They're still having a little party down there. I'll go take a quick look. Looks like they're setting up for something poolside here. This is my favorite pool on all Disney property. Love the Caribbean Beach pool.
Donald not convincing of this. Awesome.
It's a lot of fun.
So let's see, one lady. Oh, we got a cute bitch shuffle coming on out. Pretty simple. We'll start by facing the pool. All you gotta know is that we gotta go 4 times to the right, 4 times to the left, kick 4 times, and then we turn to the left-hand side and repeat. 4 to the right, 4 to the left, kick 4 times, and then we turn to the left. Alrighty, crew. So we'll start by facing the pool. Pretty simple. Then to the right, 4 times. Left, 4. Kick 4.
Oh yeah, that's always fun. All right, we'll try to make our way out. You did see some of the construction of the actual main building back there. So they say this will be done by August. I'll be excited to see it when it is done. But that's basically how you're going to live for the next 5 months or so, if you do plan on taking a trip. You saw the pool party with Minnie and Goofy and Donald, huh? They do have some fun at the pools here. Like I said, this is my favorite pool in all of Disney, is the Caribbean Beach pool. So if you ever get a chance to stay here and use it, I highly recommend it. So that's just a quick update. We'll try to bring you more as we go along. Let me see here. Let me get this turned around. So make sure that you always head to passporttotheparks.com for any more information. And join us on YouTube at Passport to the Parks. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram, and obviously here at Facebook. Thanks for tuning in. We'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.